Hello everyone, I'm Madhusmita and welcome back to my channel Panda the Food Lover. If you haven't, then please consider to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified. Moving on, today we are going to make a Thai special vegetarian pineapple fried rice, which is a combination of sweet, spicy and savory. So let's get started.
So for the authentic Thai flavor, I took here 2 cups of jasmine rice, but you can replace it with basmati rice if you don't have. And I just want to tell you that for the perfect measurement, I strained all the water and I will add 2.5 cup of water for 2 cups of rice. Here I'm adding all the water and rice together, and then my heat is already in high heat. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm covering it and first cooking it in high flame until the water comes to a boil, and then reducing the flame to low until the water will dries out from the bottom, and it will take 10 to 12 minutes maximum, and then I'll switch it off and I'll let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll spread it in a plate to keep it in the fridge to cool it down. So here I'm giving the measurements for 4 cup of cooked and cold rice. So for vegetables, I took here some snow peas and some green and red capsicum, and then I took some corns like the baby corns and tofu and some carrot pieces. So here is some broccoli and green beans, and I just microwave it for 1 minute with 1 cup of water. For tempering the rice, I took here some green onion, around 2 stems. Then I chopped white part and also the green part, and here I have some sliced onion and some red chili, which is very hot, and half inch of ginger and 5 garlic cloves. Here I am showing you the Italian basil plant, and near to that the Indian tulsi plant. So I love to use this in my fried rice as I don't get Thai basil leaves very frequently. So here I am taking some basil leaves and also some coriander leaf. I'll add all the ingredients in the description box below. You can check it out. And for the tofu marination, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper powder. Please watch till the end so that you will not miss any of my tips. For this Thai fried rice, I took 2 types of sauce. One is soy sauce and also another one is the mushroom oyster sauce, that is the vegetarian sauce, and I'll give the link in the description box below. In a container, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of veg oyster sauce, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I will add here the secret ingredient, that is the kitchen king masala, as I found it is almost similar to the Thai curry powder, so I'm using this, and believe me, this will give very nice flavor. So now our sauce is ready. Now let's make the chili garlic paste, but be very careful while doing this. So you can see now how I am making this interesting pineapple bowl. My son just love to eat it when I do this. And you can see how I'm cutting it. It's very easy to cut, and just scoop it up with the spoon. Here you go, our pineapple bowl is ready now, and here I took 1 cup of pineapple that I'll use for the rice, and rest you know what to do, right? So everything is ready now. Let's heat the pan in high heat. I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of oil and frying my tofu. I'm just trying to making it crispy from every side. You can see it now, and I'll just remove it from the pan and I'll keep it aside. We'll add it later. Next, my pan is in high heat, and I'll make this fried rice in 2 batch as my kids can't digest this much spicy. Now you can see the oil is moderately hot. I'm adding chili garlic that we crushed, and then I'm sauteing it for 30 seconds. Then I'm adding my sliced onion, and I'm not cooking it for a long time. It's just it will give the sweetness of these onions. So just sauteing these onions for 30 seconds. Then I'm adding here 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and then I'm also sauteing again 30 seconds, and then I'll add all the vegetables. And remember, our heat is in high heat. Cooking these vegetables just for 1 minute, that's it. We are not cooking it too much, it doesn't taste good. Then I'm adding here salt, half tablespoon, or it is according to your taste. Then I'm adding here 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then I'll mix it really well. I'm adding here fried tofu, and then I'll add 10 to 12 roasted cashew. If you don't have roasted cashew, you can add when we add the onion. So then I'm adding here some white spring onions, and then I'm adding the sauce that we made. So total cooking time till now is 3 minutes. You can understand how quickly we are making this. And here I'm adding the rice, and then I'm mixing it, and you can see how they look. Oh my god. And then here quickly I'm adding the basil leaves and coriander leaves, and lastly our pineapple. I don't want to cook too much these pineapples, just mix it 30 seconds and we are done with the rice. Oh my god, look at this. It looks so colorful with red, yellow, green. And the favorite part of this is I just keep everything ready, and when my husband comes, I quickly make it within 5 minutes. If you can, definitely try it with jasmine rice. Believe me, you will get a very, very unique taste. Absolutely, you don't need any single side dish with this. So enjoy.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.